Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create sub-collections in Shopify. Sub-collections are a great way to organize your products better and give your customers an easy way to navigate through your store. Let's dive right in. Before we jump into sub-collections, let's quick uh, let's quickly review what collections are in Shopify. Collections are groups of products that you can organize in your store. You can create collections for things like product categories, seasonal items, or promotions. First of all, let's create your main collection, which will be the parent collection for the sub collections. To do that, go to your Shopify admin dashboard and click on products. In the left hand menu, select then click on collections and hit create collection button. Give your collection name like summer collection, winter collection, or clothing or home decor, and add a description if needed. You can also add image to represent the collection. Now let's create a sub collection which will grouped under the main collection. To do that, follow the same steps to create a new collection. Wait a minute. Now, create a sub-collection which is be grouped under the main collection. To do that, follow the same steps to create a new collection. Go to collections, then create collections, and like for example, under clothing, you can create sub-collections like mm, men's clothing, women clothing, or accessories. Each sub collection will have its own name, description, image to make it easier for your customers to find specific categories of products. Next, we will organize products in the sub collection. In Shopify, you can either manually add products or set up automated collection conditions. To add products manually, just click browse and select products from your inventory. To use conditions, click conditions and choose the criteria for which uh, products should appear in your in this sub collection. For example, you can use product type, tag, or vendor to automatically filter the products for this sub collection. Now that you have your main collection and the sub collections, you will want to make sure they are easy to find on your store's front end. Go to online store, then navigation, from here and click on main menu and then add menu item. Here you can add your main collection as a top level item and then nest your sub collections underneath it. This will create a drop down or multi-level navigation for your customers. To make sure to sub collections look great to your storefront, you may need to customize your theme. Head to themes and click on customize. From here you can adjust how the collections and sub collections appear on your website. For example, you can change the layout, display the collection images and or add specific banners for each collection. Once everything looks good, be sure to save changes, preview your changes, go to your store's front end and check that the sub collections are displaying correctly under their parent collections. If everything looks good, hit publish and you are set. And that's it. You have now created and organized your sub collections in Shopify, making it easier for your customers to navigate through your store. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.